Our starting balance was $1,000 and now we are at $1,284. First day $80, second day $140, third day $217, and now we are at $284. Yes, this is boot credit spreads. And this is the spreadsheet for all our boot credit spreads we had made. You can pause to see every trade we have made, and now we are going to see our last trade. This is our last boot credit spreads. As you can see, the market is open. I hit on our boot credit spreads. If I want to close it, I hit close, buy to close, and if we want to close it at the market price, we need to pay about $11, and that's put us at $66 in profit, and that's very good. So I hit paper trade so I can close it. And now I am going to open a new boot credit spreads to make more money because I like this strategy very much. We hit the 7-day period, and as you can see, it's now at $729 for the price for SPY, and I choose the 709, 708, and now we have $1,208, so we can sell 12 contract, and that let us made about $78 in credit, and that's very good, and I like it very much. And we are going to manage this position. If the prices drop, we are going to roll it, and we will see what will happen in the end of this trading day. So I hit paper trade and it filled immediately. Now, as you can see, this is the 7-day period, and we just sell this put credit spreads. And this is the end of this trading day. We have about 1 hour. And if I want to close this put credit spreads that I sold today, if I want to buy to close it, I need to pay about $60, I think, 12 contracts, $60, and that will make us about $18 in profit. That's not enough for me. I want to make $200 a week, and it was very good strategy. We made more than $208 in a few days. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.